they're zipping up on you.
Oh, they're going up.
Alright, I'm here, Mel. I hate this other team.
One's cannon.
Broken enemy shield.
No! No! Why does the other team have to grief me? He's 1 HP over here. Lifeline. But healing.
He's getting...
Might be able to... You can res me, blood?
Oh, I can't.
Aw, what a baby. You can drop portal whenever.
I set the portal. 1 second, we got this.
Oh, we're in zone.
They're gonna pushing down, they're pushing down. I'm gonna hold this door, watch the staircase.
Watch my back. I'm healing.
I'm popping a med kit.
Go for it.
You can probably res him.
Arc star out.
Oh my god, please Bloodhound, don't leave the building.
We
Need
need
to
to...
recharge my shields.
I'm
Okay,
gonna
res
pop
him when
a
you get that
bat
bat
in.
off.
I have one of these hills.
Hold on. Phoenix kid here.
You need Valve then? Here.
No, I'm good. Actually, I'll take it. Ah, I'll take it.
Yeah, here. Take it, sir.
I'll
Oh,
take
I'm
it.
playing ranked right now. Holy shit.
Yeah, there's 2 teams outside, but they're not fighting.
No, I fucking...
Track the fucking king.
Bro! I'm gonna flip.
Contact with hospital.
There's just no way. This guy is just fucking... He's just... I don't know.
Oh, I'm going over here.
I literally can't hit him.
Underneath. Oh no, in the building. Wait, our teammate does. In your building? Second floor?
Yeah.